Good, YouTube? Bring you another video. This one's gonna be an audio video, car audio. About to throw like 412s box, all sealed. And about to throw it in my laid. You know what I'm saying? Got 412 Skars, 1200 1D mono block amp for $550. I suggest y'all look at these Skars, man, because these things are nice. And stay tuned for the second part when I turn it up, see what happened. By the way, go to my son's channel, Artillery E. That's Artillery E. We got some special stuff over there, some car audio, some self-defense, just a bunch of different content for y'all. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Stay tuned.
You want lady friends, you need Mercedes Benz, them won't talk to you. You need a Bentley too. Pull up in Ferrari, them scream good golly. Lamborghinis, attract bikinis. You want lady friends, you need Mercedes Benz, them won't talk to you. You need a Bentley too. Pull up in Ferrari, them scream good golly. Lamborghinis, attract bikinis. You see some big body girls coming around fibbing. You pull up to them and scream, ladies get in, but them look at you, them look at them friends. All of them reply, boy, where is your rims? You got no TVs, no CDs. Started with a screwdriver, boy, where's your keys? Where's the sunroof, boy, where's the breeze? How you think you go and satisfy me? Them talk like a villain, them hurt your feelings. Get back in the game, you're no longer a civilian. And you're robbed in the banks, the ones drug dealing. Said you won't stop it till you sit pon 50 million in Mercedes Benz with your lady friends. Pull up on the street and the rim still spin, and the ladies grin. Say look at him, the V12 engine, put you in the wind. It's a classic like Atari when you pull up in Ferrari. You get plenty loving from Holly and Molly, but you're hated by Timmy and despised by Bobby.